Hello, this is me. The person with the camera on the shoulder. Mostly on all socials, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, YouTube, and TikTok. Not that I use TikTok, but you know, I'm just sploosy everywhere. I do. Oh! What's that? Go. Alright. Oh, okay. These are emus. Giant ass birds. Oh no, tree. Ah! Ah!
Seriously, it just instantly got ugly. There you go. Alright. If these robot dancing. No, Lucy. Yeah, see that, crew? Be warned.
Hey, buddy. Hi. Hi. Come on, get on. Yay. Oh. Oh. How cute are kangaroos? I don't think I've ever done this in my life. There must be a way I can set that up. Yeah, how you doing? Caught my first salmon on that jetty a few years ago, even 2 kilograms up from the road on the groin near Road is really good. Gee, you're not giving away my location at all, are ya? Ah. Oh my god. Oh, jeez. Yes. Yes, squid, let's go. Yes. I mean, you're a bit of a savage, but you're quite a good-looking bird. Scratch his cheeks. Run. You're a bit cute. Scratch his cheeks. Do they like... Oh, bless you. Oh, Jesus. Ah! Timber. Thank God that didn't go in the water. Woo! That's what you get when you're pulling around like ropes and stuff around a tripod, stupid dumbass.
Can't go fishing without drinking beer. It's WA.
Oh, thanks.
Enjoy.
Cheers.
See you later.
See ya. That's awesome. How cool's that? Hello. You look a bit derp. Like our sunsets are pretty bomb diggity. This is a pretty lucky sunrise. It's stunning. Bolty likes to play now. Ah! Just chuck it on my head. Ah, right. Oh yeah. So the Hey, beautiful.
So he seems very curious.
Aww, they're so adorable. Oh, I would love to jump in there right now. Oh, that looks so inviting. Hey, buddy. Check there. Shouldn't dance too much. Yes! Woo! I don't even know what this is, but it's not a blowfish. What the hell is this? Guys, that's a decent sized whiting. I am happy with that. Yeah, baby. Oh, dude. Go away, seaweed. Piss off. Oh, that sunset is so pretty. Oh crap, Bixby. Dude, no. Sorry, I'm a fisherman, been doing this for way too long. When I catch seaweed at least once while fishing, not doing it right. Oh, okay, so that's good.